Hello, this is apartment number 1, if you come with me. So bedroom 1, we have fully fitted wardrobe and bespoke light fitting. If you follow me through to bedroom 2, again, fitted wardrobe and king size bed. Now we're going to go into the living room, folks. And we have beautiful furnishings here, and it's fitted out to an extremely high standard. Now we're in number 2 Corville Court. Again, this hallway was previously carpeted with magnolia walls and white ceilings. Here we tied a very contemporary colour into the walls, and again we tied the same colour into the skirtings in the walls, which has really modernised the space. We put a beautiful wicker lighting with a large glow. Again, you can see the high energy efficient heater installed, nice bit of art in the wall. We just walk into the living room again. There's no joints in the flooring. The AC5 runs through, which is a commercial floor. Again, we've painted all the doors. These were previously pine. We've put a beautiful black door handle which modernised it. Again, beautiful curved mirror. We've softened the furniture slightly, so we've added fabrics to it, so it's really warmed up the space. Beautiful high ceilings, fitted contemporary curtains, modern chandelier light fitting. We've put a round table in here just to suit the space and change the space. Now it's a beautiful modern environment. We've also put in the high energy efficient heaters, which are very convenient for people out of work during the day. Corville Court. This is a newly refurbished apartment which we just completed with bespoke roof. We've lovely white plank flooring here, AC5 grade. Very high quality furnishings here, all fitted, interlining curtains, bespoke chandeliers. If you come with me now into the bedrooms, we've a lovely full-length mirror here in the entrance hall. And in the bedrooms, we've fitted curtains, modern electric heating, really high quality mattresses, and really good quality fitted wardrobes and bespoke light fittings.